Yeah.
Hey, how's it going, everybody? So today we are at Ralph Stover Park, and unfortunately we did not get blessed with any good conditions today. Super wet, super rainy, super slick, so we're gonna kind of walk around. There's little dry pockets from like the overhangs that are keeping certain little sections dry, so we're gonna try to do like some bouldering, some light stuff today. Just get kind of warm. Once Rocket gets back from the car, we are going to head out and go explore around, check some stuff out, see what we find. But we're not going to be climbing any of the big stuff today. Today was more of just a scouting day anyway. We're going to be coming back here next week with all the gear, and we're going to start climbing here because it's the closest crag to where we live. And we're waiting on our buddy Rocket right now, and when he gets to this spot, we're going to head out and go check out some stuff. And I'm going to bring you guys along. What's good?
Dude.
What are you eating, bro? What is that?
Really?
Yo, let me get some.
There, not mine.
Where Rocket came in clutch with the Twizzlers. So we got the crew for today. We're gonna go walk around and see if we can do anything fun. Alright guys, we're about to go explore this super tiny cave. I don't know if this is a good idea, but it's definitely gonna be funny as hell. I mean, people have definitely been through here. There's graffiti everywhere, so we're gonna see if I can squeeze my body into this thing. Try to get some better light. Yeah, it looks like there's some light exiting out that side. Try to squeeze in here. It's like bones. See that? Oh, it's so tight in here.
Dude, I know.
This is cool though.
Oh.
Phew. This is dope. It goes all the way up there. It's creepy looking back here in the dark. Oh no! Rainy day vibes at Ralph Stover. With caves and rock climbing. And friends.
Fucking nerd. No, I'm just kidding.
Alright, let's hike down this hill. So we're gonna try to make it down to the water. We're walking back now. I'm gonna try to get out of the rain again because it is getting a little bit worse. But some of these trails are crazy.
Sketchy ass.
Ah, this rain.
Damn, that scratches up your hands.
The trails are pretty epic here though.
Yeah.
They're nice and clean, like just wide enough to walk on. That's cool. Climb that one, it's nice and dry. You can get down there.
Yeah. We were looking for boulders.
That's a nice route. I wonder what that one's graded at. See some gear up there.
Really?
Yeah. You don't see it? Yeah, this is a nice route. That one looks pretty fun. Somebody left some gear up there. I feel like it's something out of like Lord of the Rings, just like the whole like vibe. These like crazy walkways. Like these corridors. They're just like super cool. Just chill up by this overhang because it's nice and dry. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. This This is gonna be super fun. Oh, I really can't wait till there's a super nice day. Yeah, I don't know why people spray paint stuff. People need to stop spray painting. Everyone should stop spray painting parks and rocks at parks because it just makes it look crappy. And it's not like you guys are doing super nice art pieces. Like, God or girls, sick. Ruining this beautiful place. And actually, we walked in, there was people cleaning graffiti off of the rocks up top, which is like super lame. This is nice and dry. Could chill here for a little bit. We found a cool little boulder we've been hitting for a couple hours now, just getting like warmed up and hanging out. You like this spot, Chris?
I think it's very nice. Very enjoying it very much.
What's wrong?
Mud in my shoe.
How was it?
Good. It's fun. Fucking finger shirt, man.
Let's see.
These are new pants too.
Alright guys, so we're heading out. We're getting completely drenched. So we're heading back to the car right now because it's starting to come down pretty heavy. So, pretty pumped on this place, guys. I mean, we're gonna definitely be coming back here a lot and it's gonna be a good time. There's a lot of routes to be sent, a lot of fun to be had. I think I'm gonna wrap it up here and I'll see you guys in the next one.